Welcome to my channel, everyone. This is the first episode of my coding channel. In this episode, you'll be learning the basics of how computers work. So let's get into the video. First thing you need to know are binary digits. So binary digits, binary code or whatever, is just ones and zeros in any specific order, like 101, 001. These are all binary integers. And so, yeah, computers only understand ones and zeros, and they translate these ones and zeros into things that we can understand. For example, some binary number can equal a number that we understand, like 4 or 5 or something like that. Anyway, if we wanted to turn a binary integer or an integer of ones and zeros into a number, then this is what you do. So let's use it with let's try to translate 542. And doing this, it should equal 542 if we do this right. So yes. So there are three integers here, 5, 4, and 2, right? So we add them once we've done something to them, and I'll show you what we do to them. So we multiply each by 10, and they all have a power that determines on where they are. So for this 10, it's to the power of 0 because it starts from the end, and then it goes this way. It goes chronologically. So if you solve this equation, then you should be able to get 542. So 5 times 100 is 500, plus 4 times 10, this is 10, is 40, plus 2 times 1, anything to the power of 0 is 1, 2, 542. So why did we put 10 here, you may ask? That is because for integer numbers, they're called base 10. Base 10 decimals. Yeah. Oh, these are not integers. Well, they are integers, but they're called decimal numbers. Anyway, so binary digits. Binary digits are base 2. Decimal numbers were base 10. So if we wanted to turn the number 101 into a decimal number, like any number that we understand in our world today, then what would we do? We would do 1 times something plus 0 times something plus 1 times something. And since it's base 2 instead of base 10, we put 2 in this place. And then we do the same chronologically ordered thing here. So this 1 times 4 is 4, plus 0 times 2 to the first power is 0, because 0 times anything is 0, and plus this is 1, because anything to the power of 0 is 1, and that's 1, and that would be 5. So the binary number 101 is 5 in decimal numbers. And that is how computers understand normal numbers that we insert into them. Now let's try another example. Let's do 110 into a decimal number. So we would do 1 times something. It's just easier for me to do it like this. 1 times something plus 0 times something, right? And since it's base 2, binary is base 2. I need to remind you guys every time. Then we do 2, implement 2 into our equation, and then we chronologically order the powers. And so this will give you 1 times 4, 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 times 2 to the power of 1. 2 to the power of 1 is 2. 2 plus 0 times 2 to the 0th power. This would be 1 because anything to the 0th power is 1. But is 0, so anything times 0 is 1. And this would be 4 plus 2. Anything times 0 is 0. This would be 4 plus 2 plus 0. That would give you 6.